Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Harita. Today I'm going to share my Tefal non-stick cookware. I just got it from Walmart in Thanksgiving Day sale. The original price is $149 and I just got it for $49. So let's get open and see how it looks like. So this is the box. I opened it. So this is totally 22 pieces set. Open it and we'll see. And they give some small tips for not getting scratches. So this is how it looks like. So this is the bottom. You can see it's shining inside. So this one is 2/4 covered saucepan. And the next one is it comes with warranty card and it is having use and care instructions manual book as well. So here we see one more pan. There is also a mini pan. It is called the One Egg Wonder. This one is 5/4 covered Dutch oven. It looks very beautiful with this red color. I really love this color. So now we'll check the mini pan. This is called as One Egg Wonder. We can use it for making an omelette. Well, this mini pan looks very beautiful and shiny. I really love it. And the next one is this is a frying pan. Actually, it comes with two frying pans. This is 8 inches fry pan. It's so beautiful again with red color. And the next one is, and here we got baking tray. Is 12.5 by 9 inches. The next one is 10.25 inches square griddle. So now I am going to show you how to make dosas using this new square griddle. So let's get started. So now take dosa batter here and take one ladle of dosa batter and spread it clockwise all over the griddle. The way how I am doing here, and just sprinkle some oil or butter. And that's all. You can just scrape it out with the help of flat spatula, and just flip it over. And after that, you just fold it in the center. Yes, fold it in the center and just serve it in a plate. So dosas are very famous Indian breakfast that we do almost every day in every Indian kitchen. I made 3 dosas. It's very easy. It's working good. The griddle is very nice. So after done making your dosas, you just wipe it off with your kitchen paper towel. It's working very well. You can see here. Now it's very clean. Now our very delicious dosas are ready to enjoy. So Tefal is a heat mastery. It comes with 3 layers. Number 1 is thermospot, the second one is Pro Glide non-stick, and third one is even heat base. So these are all the 22 pieces list here. You can have a look. So these pans are even heat base and oven safe as well. So here I wanted to show the difference of a normal pan and this Tefal saucepan. So you can see the design of the handle, how they design the way. Here if you see the regular one, I bought it sometime back. So this is flat handle. So there is a chance to slip when you hold it. When the pot is too hot, you can't handle it. So that's how there is a chance to slip. But if you take this design of T-fall, there is a curve like up to 2 inches back. There is a curve of 2 inches down, and so you can easily hold it and you can grip the handle. So that's how I like the design of this handle. I just wanted to show you. And the next one is 5/4 covered jumbo cooker. This is the one I'm opening now. This is jumbo cooker, they said it. I don't know why they said jumbo cooker. So keep the lid back and see how it looks like. It is very pretty as usually. And here we got the next one. So this one is 1/4 covered saucepan. Very beautiful and very compact. I am going to use it every day for making tea every day in the morning. So and the next one is, here we got a lot of kitchen tools. They have 7 different types of kitchen tools they provided for using every day. So this is 9.5 inches. This one is 9.5 inches frying pan, and this one is 8 inches frying pan. And here we got pizza pan. They have some 4 measuring spoons, 1 tablespoon, and this is 1 teaspoon. This is half teaspoon. This is 1/4 teaspoon. So this is the T-fall Kitchen Solutions non-stick cookware set. I hope you like this set. If you like it, don't forget to give thumbs up, and we will move to the next section. Come back again. Yesterday I went to IKEA and I got these few items. So I thought of that, let me share with you. So you can see this is kitchen towels. I got it for everyday use. It's $2.99. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 kitchen towels with green, white and black colors. You can see the design: spoon, fork, dishes, cups, saucepan. I like the design. They do have different kind of designs, so I like this one, so I got it. So and the other one is, so you can see this is spoon, fork and knife. And this is like vertical and horizontal lines. And the last one is polka dots. So white background, there are black dots, black spots. So this also looks good. So they do have different kind of designing patterns. So I choose this color because I like this color, this green color. So I just choose this one, and this is dish mat. So this drying dish mat comes with center folding. You can see you can fold it in the center like this way. You can hang it on your wall wherever you wanted it. So this is also some green color. I like this, and this price is like 199, and these cups are like tea mugs. So it comes with white background and black color design patterns. I love the design patterns, very good. Here you can see in close-up pic, I put one pic here. This I got coasters. They have 2-pack, and we have 2 coasters. You can use it as a coasters or toppers, as I already said. See, you can use it as a toppers or you can use it as a coasters like this. So either way you can use it. And I got here, you can see 2 bowls for everyday use, each 79 cents. And I got 2 plates for everyday use, again each 75 cents. Each plate is 75 cents. And the next one is, so this is honey dropper with gold color multi-purpose spatula. And the next one is, so these are cutting boards, so folded cutting boards, so you can fold like this way. So it is 2-pack. One is green and blue color combination, the other one is gray color. So they have 2 set. So this is small chopping board, mini chopping board, for you can even use chopping as a chopping board or display board. So this is the display board, or you can use as a cutting board. This is $4.99, and I got like 1 fork set, 6 piece. This is each $4.99. Each set contains 6 pieces. I got like 12 total, 12 spoons and 6 forks I got it. This each set is $4.99. So here I got one more item is plant. This is indoor plant. I just love it and I bought it. They have some different weird name, I don't know what is that, and it looks very beautiful. So I just bought it. This is like $3.99 the price. And the other one is, this one is pot holder to keep that plant. I bought this one, and this is like $1.99. So these are just like multi-purpose boxes for everyday use. $3 pieces, 99 cents basically. And the last one is grater. I got this grater for $3.99 and very handy. So like they have 4 types of grater holes. Like this is the usually people called cheese grater, and you can use it for any purpose like this. The tiny holes you can use it for garlic and ginger grating, and here you can use for carrots or beetroots like that. And here this is peeler, potato peeler or anything, and this side we can use it for coconut grater or cheese grater, however you want. Here I got one side table with white background and grey color polka dots. It looks very beautiful and the price is $10. And I got one more side table or stepping stool, whatever you call. This is like with white background, green color polka dots, very beautiful, and the price is $5. So that's all my friends. That's all for today. This is all the stuff I got it from IKEA just for everyday use. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I will see you in my next video. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.